Exercise 6. Meet a handyman. Several years ago, I went on a property tour in St. Louis to look at a whole bunch of fixer-upper properties. One of the things I just loved about this tour was that they had 2 handymen come with us. And the great thing was you could walk around the property with the handyman. You could ask all sorts of questions and get their opinion. For example, how much would this cost if we did this type of flooring? How much would it be if we redid the kitchen? How much would it be if we used this kind of kitchen counter? As we went through the house, we got a really good idea of which areas needed minor repairs and which needed major upgrades. We were doing all sorts of things like looking at the roof. Hey, here's the electrical panel. Let's go down into the basement. Let's see how old the furnace is, or the water heater. The important thing is that I was able to hang out with a handyman for the whole day and get great ideas and cost estimates. I started to learn how to estimate repairs in that market, which I hadn't been familiar with previously. Having a handyman that you can work with, especially in the beginning, to help you see and understand the costs is really valuable. It really helps you see how much it will take to put the property together. It's a powerful experience, and that's why your next exercise is to go to tour some properties with a handyman. Take a look on Angie or Thumbtack or TaskRabbit and find someone in your area with experience. Someone who's done a lot of construction and rehab. Make a couple of calls to introduce yourself, see what they're like, and find out how you relate to them. Agree to an hourly rate so that they are compensated for their time. Then schedule an appointment with the handyman and the real estate agent to just spend some time walking through a couple of properties that are fixer-uppers. Be sure to let the real estate agent know that you're looking at the property as a potential investment, and you're going to be bringing this handyman with you to help with the costs on the rehab. Ask a lot of questions. Be sure to discuss options. Hey, what if I did this? Or what if I did that? On appliances, ask if there are any used options. Ask if they have any suppliers that give you great pricing or have a special deal happening. Be sure to take great notes, write down what they say, and get a good feel for the repairs and costs. It's a terrific hands-on learning experience. And who knows, you might even find something that you can make an offer on.